Hello everyone, we are Team 2 and we would like to address the main functions of our Titan car dealership. Our team consists of Rosa Soto, Ahmed Ibrahim, Diego Muniz, Ahmed Adel, and myself, Lawrence Lee. We will now go over our dealership's entire system process. The main business strategy for our Titan car dealership is to utilize our automated system in pairing customers with the right salesperson and vehicle. In addition, we want to utilize our productive inventory system to find the right vehicle for all of our customers. Our whole system has four main actors: our customers, our trained salespeople, sales finance manager, and our inventory tracking system. Next, please welcome Rosa to talk about our system to match our customers with vehicles.
Hello, my name is Rosa Soto, and today I'm going to be walking you through how we are matching customers with vehicles. Today we present an exciting use case that revolutionizes the way customers are matched with vehicles. This use case describes the process of matching customers with vehicles through an online and on-site matching system. It involves searching the inventory, recording customer information, scheduling appointments, and linking test drive details to the customer. Step 1. Online inventory search. The process starts with an intuitive online inventory search function. Customers can access a user-friendly interface that allows them to filter their search based on criteria like make, model, and price range. With just a few clicks, a comprehensive list of matching vehicles from the internal inventory is displayed, offering customers a wide range of options to explore. Step 2. Recording customer information. Once a customer finds a vehicle of interest, they are prompted to provide their information for appointment confirmation. This crucial step ensures a smooth process from start to finish. The system securely records the customer's details, generating an appointment confirmation that includes all the necessary information. Step 3. Automated customer communication. To enhance the customer experience, the system automatically forwards customer requests to the appropriate department. Furthermore, automated messages are sent to customers via text or email, offering additional services, promotions, and personalized recommendations before their scheduled appointments. This personalized touch adds value and creates a positive engagement with the customer. Step 4. Scheduling appointments. Customers have the flexibility to schedule, modify, or cancel appointments based on their convenience. The system updates the appointment schedule in real time and sends confirmations to customers, ensuring clarity and transparency throughout this process. This seamless scheduling system saves time and eliminates any potential confusion. Step 5. On-site matching. When the customer arrives for their appointment, our dedicated salespersons are equipped with a powerful system that allows them to search both the internal and external inventories. This system empowers the salesperson to match the customer's preferences with available options efficiently. By considering factors like budget, desired features, and specific requests, our salesperson provides a personalized experience that ensures the customer finds the perfect match. Step 6. Capturing test drive details. During the test drive, the system plays a crucial role in capturing essential detail. It seamlessly records the specific of the test drive, such as duration, feedback, and effortlessly links them to the customer's records. This integration streamlines the process and allows our salespersons to provide personalized recommendations based on the customer's experience, creating a truly tailored and exceptional journey. And finally, completion and next steps. Following the test drive, the customer is guided through the next steps, which may involve finalizing the purchase, exploring financing options, or considering additional services. Our system provides recommendations for maintenance services based on the vehicle's condition and the customer's preferences, ensuring a comprehensive and customer-centric approach. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rosie. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ahmed Ibrahim. Thank you for joining me today for this brief presentation on the vehicle sales management use case. This use case focuses on selling a vehicle to a customer, incorporating optional trade-in financing scenarios. Let's dive into the details. The primary actor in this use case is the sales staff, whose goal is to sell vehicles, provide exceptional customer service, and adhere to the sales policies and procedures. Additionally, we have several stakeholders with vested interest, including the customer, sales manager, financing manager, and financial institutions. The process begins when a customer requests a vehicle sale. The sales staff promptly checks the requested vehicle availability and options. If the customer wishes to trade in their current vehicle, the sales staff appraises the trade-in vehicle, updating the sales order accordingly. In cases where financing is required, the financial manager contacts the financial institutions and seeks approval. To ensure a smooth transaction, the sales staff calculates the sales taxes and any applicable discounts. Subsequently, the sales order is submitted for approval by the sales manager. If approved, the sales staff finalizes the sales with the customer. Now let's briefly discuss the subflows that may occur within this use case. Firstly, the trade-in appraisal process involves inspecting the trade-in vehicle, recording its condition and features, and negotiating the trade-in price with the customer. Secondly, the financing approval subflow requires collecting the customer financial information and credit history, submitting a financing application to financial institution and receiving their confirmation. Another important aspect is the calculation of sales tax, where the sales staff determines the applicable rate based on the customer location and vehicle type. Discounts are also applied to the sales order during this stage. Finally, the sales order is printed and reviewed with the customer before being submitted to the manager for approval. As with any process, there are alternative and exceptional flows to consider. For instance, if the requested vehicle is not available, the sales staff informs the customer and offer alternative options. In the case of financing rejection, the sales staff communicates this to the customer and explore alternative financing options or payment methods. Lastly, if the sales order is rejected by the manager, the sales staff informs the customer of the decision, provides an explanation, and offers the possibility to modify the order or cancel it. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate your time. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Diego as he takes us through the inventory management use case.
Thank you, Ahmed. So I'll be discussing the automated inventory management use case and the activity diagram for this use case. The automated inventory management use case describes how the system automatically updates inventory changes due to manufacturers and other dealers buying, selling, and trade-ins. So we'll have three stakeholders and we'll describe their respective interest in the system. Dealership managers are interested in the system because they're able to track purchases, the vehicle they're selling, and the trade-ins they're accepting. Sales representatives have a stake in the system because they want to be able to have the most up-to-date inventory to sell vehicles to customers on site. Customers are also stakeholders because they want to be able to check the most up-to-date vehicle inventory online. However, as the inventory management system will be automated, the primary actor will also be the system itself. The flow of events will be triggered when the system detects a purchase, a sale, or a trade-in. First, the system will receive a transaction due to manufacturers or a dealer's actions, and that's either buying, selling, or trade-ins. Next, the system will retrieve details about the vehicle in the transaction, including the quantities and the number of transactions involved. The system will then calculate the changes to the inventory based on the transaction received. And finally, the system will update the inventory records to reflect the new status of each vehicle in the system, such as an active or sold vehicle. Next, we'll look at the activity diagram for this use case. As we previously mentioned, the system will be triggered as it detects new transactions. The system will receive transaction information and determine if the transaction is a sale, purchase, or trade-in. If it's a sale, we're going to locate the vehicle identification number in our inventory, mark the vehicle as sold, and then we're going to decrease the inventory count by this model vehicle. If there are more vehicles in the same transaction, we're going to iterate through the same workflow until all vehicles in the transaction are updated. If the transaction is a purchase, we're going to retrieve all vehicle details. If we find that this vehicle is not in our current inventory, we're going to add the new model, and then we're going to add the vehicle identification number to the inventory as an available vehicle. We're then going to increase the inventory count for that model, and then we're going to repeat this workflow until we count all vehicles in the transaction. Finally, if the transaction is a trade-in, we're going to break up the transaction into sale and purchase transactions, where we will direct each piece of the transaction to the sale and purchase flows, respectively. Next, Lawrence will describe the salesperson commission use case and activity diagram.
Thank you, Diego. The salesperson commission use case retrieves sales information to calculate the percentage of sales earned by the salesperson on a weekly basis. It allows our sales representatives to gain the incentive to produce more sales and generate more revenue to service our customers. Our primary actor for this use case will be our salesperson. Stakeholders involved within this case include the salesperson themselves, alongside a sales and finance manager. The listed normal flow of events is mainly a summary of our activity diagram, which will be mentioned more thoroughly in our next slide. The activity diagram shown to determine the salesperson's commission is based on the sales closed with their respective customers. Once the system generates the sales information, the commission is calculated based on the percentage of sales. If the commission has any problems, it will notify the financing manager to fix any immediate issues within the department. If no problems are found, the commission percentages shall be inputted into the database while informing the sales manager the proper amount. Lastly, the commission is then paid towards each salesperson's paycheck. Next, please welcome Ahmed Adel to discuss the use case for determining promotional offers.
Thank you so much, Lawrence. In the context of this use case, the generation of promotional offers for automobile sales is the primary emphasis. The car sales and finance manager will submit a request to the system, at which point the system will obtain the weekly price adjustment from the car inventory manager, the customer preferences, and the manager conditions from the car sales and finance manager. This will take place once the car sales and finance manager has made a request to the system. With this information, the system is then able to develop promotional offers that are personalized to the interest of the customers. These offers are based on the inventory as well as the parameters set by the management. These offers will be presented to the car sales and finance manager through the system, and the manager will give input on if or not they accept or decline each offer. The system will update the inventory, customers, lease choices, and trade-in promotions with the authorized offers if the management decides to approve any offers. If the manager does not accept any offers for alternative or exceptional flow, the system will not update any entities and will ask the management to either revise their conditions or seek new price modifications from the car inventory manager. If the manager does approve any offers, the system will update all entities. In the event that the system is unable to obtain any of the essential information, it will provide the car sales and finance manager with the error notice. A warning notice will be sent to the management by the system. If any of the information obtained is found to be inaccurate or inconsistent, the system will ask the manager to verify or modify the information.
That concludes our presentation for the Titan car dealership. Thank you guys so much for watching.